A very warm welcome to all of you in my YouTube channel. My name is Gautam Kumar. Today I am going to describe English literature's Victorian era's 10 most important historical events, years, which is generally asked in many examinations. Let's start. This is Victorian era. What had happened in 1819 and 1837? Queen Victoria was born 24th May 1819 and died 22 January 1901, was Queen of the United Kingdom of Great Britain and Ireland from 20 June 1837 until her death. She adopted the additional life title of Empress of India on 1st May 1876, known as the Victorian era. Next year, in 1845, Irish potato famine, also known as the Great Famine, it began with a group of microorganisms that wiped out most of the potato crop on which 2/5 of the Irish population relied, starting in 1845 and ending in 1852. Let's see next year, 1848. Communist Manifesto published in 1848, written by Karl Marx and Friedrich Engels, who were living in England at the time, and published in 1848. The Communist Manifesto is possibly one of the most influential political works of all time, and especially for the Victorian era. Year 1851, the Great Exhibition. It is most important year, generally asked in many examinations. Let's see. Hosted in the magnificent Crystal Palace, it was perhaps the first World's Fair type exhibition presenting new technology and exhibits from all over the world. It ran for 5 months in 1851 and came to represent the advances and attitude of the Victorian era. Now let's see next year, 1853. Crimean War began in 1853 and raging until 1856. The war kicked off in earnest when Russian military victories against the Ottoman Empire caused Europe to realize that Russia could soon control all of the Black Sea. This brought France and Britain into the war on the side of the Ottomans, leading to fierce fighting until a defeated Russia used for peace. Several important events to British history took place because of the war. Let's see next, 1855. Bessemer invents blast furnace. 1855, perhaps the most important invention of the Industrial Revolution. Henry Bessemer patented his blast furnace in 1855 along with the first inexpensive process for manufacturing steel. Though the oxidation process, Bessemer realized that the impurities could be removed from iron to create much stronger steel. Now let's see next. 1856, Big Ben cost. One of the London's most famous landmarks, The great, well known as Big Ben, was cast in 1856 and installed in Elizabeth Tower, then known as Clock Tower, as part of the Great Clock of Westminster in 1858. The tower and the Palace of Westminster have since become the symbol of the United Kingdom and London itself. Let's see next. British East India Company transfers control of India to Crown 1857 to 1947. Following the Indian Rebellion of 1857, the British East India Company dissolved and handed over control of the nation to the British Crown, beginning a period of imperial rule that lasted until 1947. Britain's rule became increasingly instructive until Gandhi helped lead the Indian people in his non-violence resistance movement, ultimately leading to the nation's independence from the British Empire. See next, 1858, first transatlantic cable. Like the internet of today, telegraph cables were the communication tools that made the Victorian world a little smaller. It was laid along the Atlantic Ocean floor in 1858, running from Vancia Island in Western Ireland to Nova Scotia in Canada. It provided near instant communication between two halves of the globe. Let's see next most important is year 1859. On the Origin of Species, published 1859, written by Charles Darwin and published in 1859. It was the most revolutionary scientific work of its era and one that still proves controversial today, appending centuries of religious belief with the theory that life on the planet evolved from previous forms to survive. Darwin changed a huge chunk of biology. Okay friends, it's over. Bye. In next video, I will tell other 10 important ages of Victorian era. Okay, bye.